India's upcoming foreign trade policy will seek to handhold MSMEs to build their financial capabilities, set up special zones for e-commerce exports, and develop new mechanisms to support services related artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. The Commerce and Industry Ministry is currently reviewing the existing foreign trade policy. As part of this, it is deliberating on improving India's trade resilience so as to be prepared for unforeseen events such as the and value chains to encourage women into export-oriented businesses. The current policy was announced on April 1st, 2015 and was extended till 31st March 2023 as a part of new policy stated to be released by the end of this month. The government may announce a vision and strategies document for laying the roadmap of goods and services exports from April 1st. Officials said around 10 chapters would be part of the document. We were working on ways to facilitate economics exports, and discussions are on set up e-commerce zones on the lines of software technology parks of India. The SIP stoppage ratio, which relates the number of closed accounts under the Systematic Investment Plan SIP of mutual fund houses to new account openings, shot to 27th month high of 0.68 in February compared with the long-term average of 0.51 according to the data from the Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI. It shows that investors are turning cautious amid reducing equity returns over the past 12 months. In addition, returns of debts instruments have turned attractive with raising interest rates in economy. The trailing 12-month return of the S&P BSE Sensex has dropped to modest 1.3% in the middle of March 2023 from 4.4% as of last trading session of 2022. In addition, the benchmark index has lost 5.9% from the beginning of 2023 so far. According to the industry experts, the stickiness of SIP lows is highly dependent on trailing returns. Over the past 12 months, the average monthly SIP accounts addition was over 9,20,000 accounts. In February, it was an 8th-month low of 6,60,000 on rolling 3-month basis. 14.3 lakh SIP accounts were discontinued in February, a multi-year high. It was the third consecutive month when the SIP discontinuance was above 13 million. Last February, 1.2 million accounts were closed. The average portfolio value of SIP holders dropped by 11% in February from the peak value of rupees 1.2 lakh in August 2021. The SIP book dropped by 1.2% month on month to 2,13,686 crore in February, the first fall in 7 months.